Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? Today I'm going to make a grassland view. For this painting you will be needed a large size canvas. This is the overview of my painting. So let's get started. At first, using a pencil you have to sketch the painting. I'm drawing a road and mountains using a pencil. Using a small and a thick brush, we will paint the sky using sky blue. Have to fill all the upper space using sky blue color. Have to add white color in it to make it look lighter. Now using a small brush, have to shade in the mountains using brown color. Fill all the spaces inside the sketched mountains. At the tip of the mountains, using a white paint brush, we have to shade it. Using a black color, have to fill the road area. I'm adding some more color to fill the spaces. After completing the road, we have to fill the remaining area with green color with a medium-sized brush. Using green color, we have to make grass using a bunch brush. Now I'm going to make trees nearby using brown color. Using yellow color we have to make leaves and then we have to add black color in it and have to bunch it with a brush. Now I'm adding white color in the sky to make clouds. My painting is completed. It's the final look of my painting. If you liked my today's video and found it helpful, do like and share and subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. Allah Hafiz.